don't ask me why I'm like this, because there's a story behind it. I was actually having fun with it, but as time went by, I'm like, okay, I can't do this. Huh? Hello, ihr Lieben. Ihr Lieben, ihr Lieben, ihr Lieben. Ihr Lieben. Anyways, don't ask me why I'm like this, because there's a story behind it, which is what I'm about to tell you guys right now. Oh, it's Wednesday, y'all. Wednesday. Just so you know, this content has to go up today. Okay. Anywho, so I want to take this off. Honestly, I'm not in the class. But the thing is, on Monday, right? On Monday, I was feeling, I don't know, I was just feeling extra. So I went to school wearing this wig, okay, with a mask like this and a sunglass like this, or rather, you know, this same glass, not like this same one, okay. So I was opportune to get to the class before my teacher came in. I already sat, you know, cleaned my desk and my chair. Did I say my desk? My table. I was already settled. And when my teacher came in, you know, she started arranging her things for the class to commence. You get? But so she was like, hello, you leaving? I think that was how she asked, or something like that, you know. How are you guys doing? Blah, blah, blah. We said, yeah, we're well and all of that. And she said, oh, before we continue, we have to address or welcome the newcomer in our midst. And everyone was turning like this. And everyone started turning like this. Even me, I had to turn like this, turn backward to say like, okay, what? Who is the new person? And later she was like, oh, there is that. It's that Dilia. Oh my God. See, the whole class were laughing their ribs out. Like, it wasn't embarrassing to me because it's not the first time for me to experience something like that, you know. Being the fact that they are used to me, you know, coming to class with my short hair and all of that, I totally look different, you know, from what I have, right? Or rather, I look different, of course, with hair on. So they were actually surprised. Like, all of them, they laugh like crazy, like they've not seen something like that before. But anyway, so that's why I decided to start off this vlog like that today. Okay, but I think I'm going to take this off. It's distracting, right? Yeah, you see, it's even distracting the light from coming in. But anyway, guys, how are you guys doing? I've not even said hello to you guys. How are you guys doing? Hope you guys are well, and hope you guys are doing great. All right, so today's video, guys, I don't know if this is even a vlog, but I'm going to share something with you. In my previous vlog, or in my last vlog, I showed you guys something that I wanted to get from Amazon. Yes, I've gotten it. It's here. So I'm going to do the unboxing today, unbox it with you guys, try to see how it works, you know, before you guys and all of that. So if you're interested in it, I will definitely leave the link in the description. Okay, so without talking too much, let's get right into it. Ooh, today's weather, guys, you will not believe how bright and sunny. Look, I don't even have light on here, but see how bright it is. Amazing. And I'm loving this look. My head flatter like what's your nana. But yeah, so throughout the whole week I'm going to wear this wig. That class go here and hot for this time. Next week I'm going to wear a different hair. The next one I'm going to wear a different hair until I'm tired of changing hair, then go back to my short hair again. Then go here and they never see. They've not seen anything yet. Oh god. All right, let's set this camera somewhere so we can do this. I think it works better here. No, ignore my belly. I just ate. Okay. Let me bring in the box. Ta-da! Amazon box is here. It's here. It's here. Here. Okay, let me sit down for here. Look at sit down. Make I sit down. Oh. I really need this thing. I really, like, honestly need it. I don't tire to the brush. When I got in here newly, I was actually having fun with it. But as time went by, I'm like, okay, I can't do this. Okay, and so this thing's small. Yeah, vacuum cleaner. But why it be like this? No picture, no nothing. You guys, I hate returning packages. Oh, I hate it. Please, give me that extra work. What is this one? Eh? What are he? You know, a lighter. You know, a lighter. Na ya river was nine. What the fish is this? Yeah, open everything first. Me, I'm not judge yet. If you like, let me. That one is a pamphlet or whatever menu that came with it. Okay, and now I see something. So this is the machine. Okay, I like how portable it looks. What's this? It has, okay, for the airway to cover up the distance. What else? What is this one? Okay, this one is it has rollers here. Okay. Honestly, as I'm seeing this thing right now, I'm not feeling it. Maybe until I put it together. How am I going to put this together? And this one as well. Huh? Alexa, who talked to you? I'm not saying you, Alexa. Stop. I'm not saying you message. Okay, I need to go through the. Man, who say money not good? Look at, see how easy this thing is to brush the floor. All right, so I don't want to prolong this actual video because I'm going to post it today. I told you guys already. I don't know if I can film this other video today, but I don't want to use same look. It will look boring. I don't know, what do you guys think? All right. My waist now. Oh, wow, this thing, okay. I really like it. So what do you guys think? I like it. I think I'm going to enjoy it. Yes, we're not enjoy it, I'm going to enjoy using it. Okay, that's what I meant. So this is basically it for today's video. Like I told you guys earlier, I don't have much to show you guys today. Let me put my glasses back. I think una go like them. Okay. But anyways, let me know your thought in the comment section below. Subscribe if you haven't. Check out my beauty channel as well, Dilias Empire, and check me out on Instagram, TikTok. All details will be in the description. Okay, so this is going to be it for today. Do not worry, I'm going to have the link to this actual item in the description. It might be maybe the first link or the second link you're going to see in the description. Okay, now you're gone. Come back, this light. No, this thing took away my light. So but yeah, so this is basically it, and I will see you guys in my next one. Until next time, guys, watch out for Dilia's vlog. Bye. Bye.